Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas day one. I'm not going to be doing much today. I was just going to be making some jollof rice, and also before I start I need some coffee to wake up properly. So I just froth my milk and I put it into my Christmas mug. Whew. I need to make jollof rice for the family. I've not been well for well over a week and I've not cooked at all. So we're making jollof rice and chicken wings for lunch today. Actually, I need to blend the pepper. I've put it in the blender. I'm using the Ninja blender. And I'm just going to let it blend for a little bit. I'm going to be putting in my puree into the pot. I'm just going to squeeze in one. Okay, I'll give you a good stir. And I'll just let that fry. I've missed being in the kitchen, honestly. For over a week, I didn't cook because I was not feeling very well. But yeah, it's good to be back in the kitchen. And I'll just let the puree, I'll let it fry for a little bit before I add my blended pepper right here. I think this is ready, so I'll just pour in. Yeah, I've got a full recipe of my jollof rice in my channel. I might link it, I'll link it somewhere for you. This is going to be like a quick jollof rice. I got some dried bay leaf, just gonna drop them in. And I'll let the bays to fry before I add in my rice. While I'm washing my chicken and the chicken wings, I just want to seize this opportunity to say thank you so much, to all of my subscribers, all the people that have supported me from day one. Just know that I appreciate you so, so much. Those ones that actually reach out to me when they don't hear from me or see any post from me for a while, thank you so much. Like, it's amazing the kind of community that you could actually build on a platform like YouTube. And I'm very thankful for that, honestly. Very, very thankful. I've got really amazing people, And really, if you've not subscribed and you come across this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be exploring a lot more in the year 2025. And I'll be bringing you a lot more. My base is still cooking. I'm going to marinate my chicken with this peri-peri. It's a quick one. So I could literally just marinate my chicken and put it in the air fryer. I'll be generous with the marinade. Guys, if you have ever had adult chicken pox or had chicken pox as an adult, please run to the comment section and put your hands up. I need to know your experience. Adult chicken pox is not a joke. That's all I have to say. For someone like me to be in my bed for like a full week, just know that I'm really sick. Because I'm the type that I don't even nap during the day. You would not catch me napping during the day. But if you see me napping in the day, just check if I'm okay. Honestly, this experience was terrible. It was my youngest daughter that caught it about 3 or 4 weeks. 4 weeks, I think 4 weeks now. Yeah, going to 4 weeks. It was during the half term, and at the end of towards the end of week 1 or week 2, no, towards the end of week 2 on the Thursday of the half term, we found spots on our body. And then when we went to the pharmacy, they confirmed it was chickenpox, and then we had to start doing all the necessary, giving her paracetamol, pain relief, calamine lotion. And this girl was so clingy, like she was all over me. And to be honest, it feels like I actually jinxed it, because I was saying, oh, if we're gonna catch it, let's catch it and be done with it before Christmas. I was not expecting I would catch it. So 2 weeks ago on a Thursday, I was walking, and then my daughter's school called and said, my daughter, they found a spot of chickenpox on my daughter's body and I should come get her. And I was feeling a bit funny. It was that same night that I felt the spot of chickenpox on my body. And I was wondering, because for like over a week, I'll say almost 2 weeks before I found the first spot on my body, I literally was feeling pains and aches. I was feeling tired, but I did not know that chickenpox was coming to get me. So me and my older daughter, we went downhill together, and we're actually recovering together. Even as I'm speaking now, I'm not 100%. I'll say I'm about 60%. Like, I still get tired really quickly, and it wasn't fun. The aches, the pain wave. When the pain comes, it feels like my head is about to explode. It feels like you are popping corn in my head. My legs become so weak. Jeez. The experience is not good at all, but I'm so thankful that I'm getting better. Super duper thankful. Jeez, chickenpox. And another thing, when my daughter actually caught when my younger daughter caught the chickenpox, my mom said, oh, get coconut. I'll show you the coconut. She said, get coconut and then put it around the house so that the rest of you will not catch it. Nigerian moms. Myself and my daughter ended up catching it exactly 2 weeks after the first spot of chickenpox appeared on my daughter's body. Guess what? I told my mom, I said, you see this coconut? I would cook it. I will make recipes with it. I'll post it on YouTube. It actually has water in it. I don't even know what to make with it, but guys, give me suggestion. I said I might make coconut candy, or I might make coconut rice, or I might make shuk shuk. If you're Nigerian, you know what shuk shuk is. I think it's that grated coconut thing. I would cook with this coconut. I will eat you, because you didn't do nothing for us. You did nothing. You did nothing. Oh, and oh yes, I do have some spot for my chicken pox. If I get close, you can see got some scars on my forehead. Even though I tried to cover it up with concealer, I've got some on my arm. If I get really close, can you see? Yeah, I got spots everywhere, everywhere. But my mission is to clear my skin. I might be doing videos to show my skincare. Hopefully, I'll be able to get rid of all the scars. Can you see it? Not good. Chicken pox. You got nothing on me. But yeah, I had to conceal a bit to look better. But overall, I do not look like what I've been through. And that's on period. Let me wash my hand. Let's wash this hand and get the chicken into the air fryer, because I'm pretty sure that the girls are gonna come shortly and say they're hungry. So I just marinate the chicken for maybe like 20 minutes with a quick marinade, and I'll pop it in the air fryer. Yep, 20 minutes in the air fryer. I'll show you when it's done. Use the air fryer mode. 20 minutes, and I've already put the rice. I've already poured the rice into the base. I didn't show you that part. But if you want to see how I make my party jollof, this one is serious party jollof rice. I have a video on my channel. I shall link it. Or even maybe over the Christmas period as well. I might do a live stream to cook jollof rice. I'm going to put my phone in now. Come on, come on. Basically, this is just going to trap. So I'm just going to leave it there for like 30 minutes. I'll let it burn. And that's why I like using aluminium pots as well. Let it burn proper. I like to clean as I go. I'll cut some plantain. For you guys that know, for the people that know that the signature, this guy cannot eat rice without plantain. So I'm just gonna cut some. I'm crushing a bit of salt. That's a bit of pink salt. Then rub it in. And I'll fry that in my deep fryer in a minute. And tada! Our chicken is ready. Look at that. We did not use any oil to make this chicken, and look at how nice it looks. And the jollof rice is almost ready as well. And I'm going to start frying the plantain as well. That's my plantain, all cut. Jollof rice doing its thing there. It's ready, but I just need it to smoke and give me that smoky effect. And we will be ready. Just put that. Let's check the rice. Should have smoked by now. Ooh la la. Let me get the camera close and close. Just look at that. So that's it. Our jollof rice is ready and ready to be served. I could smell the smokiness of the rice, honestly. And look at how grainy it is. It's not stick together. And yes, our jollof rice is ready. Let me give it a taste. Mm, mm. You know what? I'm going to end the vlog here. Until tomorrow, I love you all.